Want to set a picture on your Apple Watch? In this guide, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can personalize your watch with your favorite photo in just a few minutes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Now, on your Apple Watch, go to Widget Settings and swipe right to find Wallpapers or Watch Faces. At the end of the slider, tap the big plus button to add new pictures. Select Photos, then continue on your iPhone to choose the images you want. Once you're on your iPhone, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Face Gallery tab. This is where you'll find all the available watch face options, including the one that allows you to use your own photos. Scroll through the face styles and tap on Photos. This option lets you customize a watch face using images from your iPhone's gallery. Once selected, you'll see an option called Choose Photos. Tap on it to access your gallery and pick the photo you want to set as your Apple Watch background. After selecting a photo, you'll be able to customize several aspects of the watch face. You can adjust the time position, font size, and style. You'll also have options to change the numeral design, photo color filters, and the color of the time display. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see a section called Complications. This is where you can add extra info to your watch face, like activity rings, alarms, battery level, audiobooks, and more. Once you're happy with all the customizations, tap on the Add button. Your new photo watch face will automatically sync with your Apple Watch. Now, go back to your watch, and you'll see that everything has been perfectly set. Your selected photo, styling, complications, and time display are all live on your wrist. That's it. You're all set. If this guide helped, don't forget to share it with friends who might want to do the same. We'll meet again in the next one.